Yo, Joey, what's for lunch?
Pimento cheese sandwiches.
It's Masters Week. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Joey Avery.
Great to be here.
Welcome to the kitchen. All right, it's Masters Week. Pimento cheese, very fitting. This comes out on Wednesday, so the Masters kicking off. You excited?
I'm very excited.
Big Masters guy?
I love it. I mean, it's an excuse to drink for 3 straight days, 4 straight days if you're a Thursday guy.
Definitely, yeah.
Post up on the couch, get fat, and be like, dude, it's fine. I'm watching golf.
You a golf guy yourself?
I am, yeah.
Okay, there you go.
I'm not great at it, but I like the vibe.
Dude,
I like getting out there with the boys.
It's all that matters. 90% of golf is just being outside, throwing a couple back, and you know what? You lose a ball or two, who cares? But pimento cheese sandwich, honestly, there's not much, we're not doing much cooking on this episode. It's really just an assembling. I'm not even wearing an apron. This is probably the first time I've been in just a t-shirt. You know what? We're gonna make the mayonnaise from scratch, so at least we feel like we're doing something.
Okay.
We're gonna learn, you know. Have you ever made mayonnaise?
No, I haven't. I actually don't know what's in it.
Okay, well there you go. Now
It runs in my blood,
we're
man,
gonna
dude.
learn
White boy
something.
shit, come on.
We'll make the mayo. But otherwise, dude, it's really just, it's Colby Jack cheese, it's Monterey Jack cheese, cheddar cheese, pimento, diced pimento peppers, some cream cheese, and some mayonnaise.
Is this why everyone's always jerking off about the prices at the Masters?
I was-
Because they're like, yeah, the sandwich is $1.50, but that's basically what the ingredients are.
Yeah, right. The people always go nuts for the prices. I really don't think that it's like for what you're getting, for what you're paying for, it seems pretty reasonable.
It is fun. I have like an opportunity to learn something, you know, from you, and I probably could make this myself. But you know what?
Definitely could.
Again, I'm pro. This is gonna be nice, dude. I'm excited.
You definitely could. You know, so you feel like you're doing something too. Why don't you shred some cheese?
Shred some
there?
cheese,
Why don't you get
in there and just
What's
start
like?
shredding.
What's your typical experience cooking-wise? If we weren't just throwing together a cheese sandwich, what's a meal?
I'm a
look
big
like?
stir fry guy.
Okay.
I'm like, just throw it in the wok, like give me the leftovers and let me get loose.
There you go.
Little hot sauce. I know it's
Sure.
kind of a cheat code, but chicken, some brown rice. If we're being healthy, you know, we can go white too. I'm wrecking the end of this cheese, by the way.
That's fine. I should have froze it. If you want cheese to grate, we'll give you a little knowledge here.
Okay.
You freeze it, not so it's solid, but so when it's warm like this, the fat molecules gunk up this thing, and like they expand a lot. If you cool it down, try to stick it in the freezer 20 minutes before you want to shred it, it gets nice and tight, the fat. So
Okay.
I think I was saying, it's been around since 1908. It came at the Masters in like 1940. They just don't give a shit about the food. They haven't changed the menu since the 50s, it looks like.
I'm just glad they changed the requirements of who's allowed to go to the club.
Yeah, it took them long enough for that one too. I think that was pretty recent.
Yeah. Not great, but it's a beautiful, dude, it's beautiful
It's a
out
beautiful
there.
club,
They
dude.
manicure, the grass out there is unbelievable. Amen corner, you know. Let's focus on the positives.
Yeah, no, the
We don't have
grass.
to talk
the
about
grass
all of
is
history.
great. The grass is great.
We don't have to do all that.
You have any favorites to win? You a
I
betting
mean,
man?
dude,
who you
dude,
taking?
the fucking convict himself, Mr. Bad Boy, the baddest man in all of golf, locked up, Scotty Scheffler.
Okay, I like that.
He hasn't quite been full tilt this year, but he's Scotty fucking Scheffler. He's the best golfer in the world.
I like that.
It'll be like everyone's gonna be like, it's Rory's year, there's gonna be a lot of hype, he's playing good golf, he just won the Players, he's gonna collapse on day one. Respect to Rory, he's got a dumper, and I like that about him. He's juiced up in the back, but I don't think he's gonna win this year.
I just think he takes it too serious. I think the guys that have evolved now as golf has gotten less. It's kind of like Happy Gilmore in real life, where like the game has grown and there's a more fun side with the YouTube especially.
Yeah.
Some pros have kind of embraced that. Some are a little stiff about it.
It's a great point, and I also love being the guy who's like, dude, these golfers are taking it too seriously, and then like I never hit the driving range. I sliced my first drive, and I'm like, I'm gonna kill my wife and children. I don't even have kids.
That's true too, yeah. Okay, so mayonnaise. You've never made mayonnaise. Egg yolk, or an egg, Dijon mustard, a little bit of vinegar.
What type of vinegar we got? I'm a big vinegar man.
Tangerine vinegar.
Woo!
Really good. Yeah.
I've never had that.
Very nice. A little sweetness in there. It's kind of like, like similar to apple cider vinegar. It's a little fruity.
Yeah,
But
just like us.
Just like us, exactly. So we have some salt and then avocado oil. You can use any neutral oil. Avocado oil, if you want to go on the health road, we're talking about brown rice, white rice.
You got to go healthy when you're making a cheese sandwich. That's when you hit all your macros.
So, instead of using all those seed oils, we're going to use the expensive
use that
avocado oil.
just so RFK doesn't shut down this production.
Yeah.
All right, we're going. That's avocado oil right there.
And
it's not. It can't be a Mexican avocado, right? That's a good American.
That's
avocado.
That should be American. Why don't you let
Product
me know?
of Spain.
Oh wow. Okay. So
Throw it in the trash.
Spanish avocado. we're not doing great here. And
Distributed in Cincinnati, Ohio. Great town if you like meth, I think.
Oh, look at this. We have mayo. See that?
Wow. Bubbles up, huh? Now, if you were hand whipping that, how long would it take?
Good 5 minutes.
A good 5?
5 to 10, yeah. So, let's give this a. Well, that's homemade.
It does
mayo.
look like a bunch of cum.
I mean, that's pretty good. We need salt, but
Yeah, it is. Not my first rodeo.
you taste the tangerine in there. You
Oh,
really
that's
do.
good.
Thank you. So at least we feel like we made something. Okay, so now this is a sandwich here. We have cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. That goes on our nice cheese mixture.
Right there in the cheese.
And then I'm gonna have you scoop some of that mayonnaise, and we're gonna put cream cheese.
With my hand?
No, not with your hand.
Okay.
You know what, I'll give
Because
you.
I can get nasty with it if you want.
We'll give you that.
All right, I like that.
I'll give you that. That looks like it works a little better.
And you want me to just throw that in there?
Yeah, just
Just a little.
something like that.
Yeah.
A little bit
So
of that.
Yeah, I can scoop, brother. I got you. Like that? Good amount?
Like that. Perfect.
Do we want all this in there?
We'll see, we'll start with that, and we'll see what it looks like. But mayonnaise is that easy to make, so now you know. Now at least you can go home and
Get that homemade mayo going.
tell your wife you learned something.
Yeah.
Who does more of the cooking? Her? Is it a traditional household? Is she cooking or you cooking?
It's I would say mostly her in terms of the creative dishes, but I've been fucking around and getting in the kitchen from time to time.
Good.
I'll grill up a steak.
Good.
And by
All right.
grill, I mean pan sear. Because I live in New York. You're not allowed to grill in
Can't
your
grill
apartment.
now. I wish I even had a better setup here. I have to do it in my back alley.
Really?
Like a homeless person.
A back alley steak?
back
That's
alley-
kind of manly,
back
though.
alley steak,
You
it's-
just have a little alleyway to go into.
Yeah, I guess it's not the worst. And then the pimentos, the star of the show, the name of the
Yes.
sandwich. These peppers.
What is a pimento?
It's a type of pepper,
Okay.
and that's similar to a red pepper.
Yeah.
I honestly don't know.
This
like, the
dude
difference.
hates this sandwich. It's a great sandwich. It's fucking Masters
It's
Week.
good. It's Masters Week. We're here for the
Jesus
Masters.
Christ.
We're here for the Masters, all right? Pimentos go in. Mm-hmm. Drain off that juice if you want to open that one.
Yep.
Get some peppers going. Do the same thing.
This would be really embarrassing. Okay,
There you
thank
go.
God.
Okay, so this is it. We have our pimento, our spreadable mixture here. Dude, I was reading somewhere too. I think this is like a Great Depression era. I think it was big then, but I don't know because I feel like cheese was hard to come by then.
Well, we could be heading for another one. So honestly, it's a great time. If you've checked your portfolio lately, now might be a great time to have a cheese sandwich on deck.
It does feel like the most American thing though. It's literally
Just-
cheese and mayonnaise.
Yeah,
You know,
that's
like,
right, dude.
I wonder if the Europeans if they're laughing at us for this one,
Who
but
gives a fuck?
we had to save them a couple times. So
Yeah. Have you been to Europe?
I was in France. I was cooking in France last 2 summers ago.
Really?
Yeah.
France is awesome. You
France
go
is
there, you
great.
smoke cigarettes. They don't even the cigarettes don't give you cancer over there.
No, they really
They're
don't.
healthy. You
Dude,
eat like croissants for breakfast, you lose weight. It's unbelievable.
See, this is where I'll backtrack on the health stuff too. You know, cigarettes. I don't think are that bad because you look at the Chinese. They've been smoking for.
But they squat a lot. I think we need to get down lower
To
if we
counteract
want to.
it?
If you can have a cig, but if you're down low, and that I think it like helps circulation or something.
And I'm gonna cut the crust off on
Thank
these.
you, mommy. Oh, that looks fucking fire though. All the hate. This is gonna be pretty good, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Look, you know what? I was quick on the jump for hating it. Next time you're here, though, we'll fire the stove up.
Okay, we'll fire the stove
We'll
up
cook
next
We'll
time.
cook something. All right, and you know what? We'll cut it on an angle.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There's your pimento cheese sandwich. It's Masters Week.
It is.
It's Masters Week. Let's give it a shot. You know what? For all that shit talk, I've actually never had one.
Let's.
so.
Okay.
I've never even tried
All right.
it.
Let's enjoy this.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
I wouldn't eat this every day of the week,
No,
but I think
once a year.
it's Masters. Get in the vibe. Get in the spirit.
A tradition unlike any other. Truly. Mm-hmm. That's going to do it for this episode of What's for Lunch. Joey Avery, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Plug. You're on tour. This will be out next week. So
Absolutely, yeah. JoeyAvery.com/live. Tons of tour dates. San Francisco, Sacramento, Raleigh, Providence, Rhode Island, all over the place. I got plenty more. I have a podcast called The Joey Show. I post shit everywhere. Check me out.
Check them out. All right, guys. Enjoy the Masters.
Peace.
You did a thing with Chef Donny?
I did.
I'm eating it right now. It's pimento and cheese.
It is.
I fucking
perfect.
love pimento and cheese.
You know, Chef Donny was talking a lot of shit.
About what?
The pimento cheese sandwich. We're like, we're making it because it's gonna Masters are next weekend, right?
I'm going.
You're fucking
I'm going to the Masters.
He's bringing his big pencil.
Have you been before?
I've never been.
Oh,
Why, you want to go?
I would love to go.
All right, well, I have an extra ticket.
God damn it, you're inviting Joey?
Yeah, well, you can't go. You
Sorry,
got to do mini
Joey.
golf.
I have to do. Oh, fuck, you're right.
I was going to invite you, but I said he got to do
I got mini golf. You're
Dude,
right.
I would go.
Would you go for real?
Yeah, I have to cancel a show, but I could cancel.
I would
it to go to
extend.
the-
I would if you shook my hand right now, I would give you the extra ticket for Thursday and Friday.
Oh, my show's Saturday. I'm in.
No way.
You want to go? You'll get yourself to Augusta,
100%.
and we'll go. You'll go with me to the Masters.
1,000%.
But wait, he's got to bring the pencil in then.
He can't. No pencil. Keep the pencil away from my fucking Masters.
No kidding.
You're going.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. You two are going to the Masters.